Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Intel HD graphics in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it, expand the display adapter section, and you just need to note down where Intel UHD graphics model name. After that you just need to open up Chrome and search Intel graphics driver update and select the first link. In search driver and software, you just need to type where Intel graphics card model name. In my case, Intel UHD graphics 770. Intel UHD graphics 770. As you can see, Intel UHD graphics 770 driver. Click on it. In this list, select the first link and scroll down. In here you can able to see if your processor gen supported or not. In my case I have i9 14th gen processor, so it's supported guys. In my case you just need to check whether your processor generation supports. After that scroll up and select the download option and download it, and after getting download done you can install it. And after getting installed done, your Intel HD graphics are updated guys. If you have even more lower generation, then you just need to go back, and under this list you can able to see the second link, Intel 7th gen to 10th gen processor graphics. You just need to select that and scroll down, and you can check whether your generation have here. After checking that, scroll up and select download option and download it guys. And that's how you can update Intel HD graphics in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.